The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the biggest and most exciting camera releases of 2025, and honestly, it might just be the upgrade that APS-C photographers have been waiting for. From wildlife shooters and sports photographers to hybrid creators and travel filmmakers, the R7 Mark II is already creating massive buzz in the camera community.
Why?
Because this isn't just a small refresh. This is a serious redesign, with major improvements in autofocus, stabilization, burst shooting, cooling, and even sensor technology. Canon is reportedly bringing a brand new stacked APS-C sensor to the R7 Mark II, which means faster readout, reduced rolling shutter, better subject tracking, and improved high frame rate video performance. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Add to that Canon's next-generation dual-pixel AF3 system and advanced AI subject recognition, and this camera is shaping up to deliver pro-level autofocus inside a compact body. And that's not all. We're talking improved IBIS up to around 8 stops, oversampled 4K 60, potential 4K 120 slow motion, smarter cooling, and even a more professional memory card system with CF Express support. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything: the design changes, the new specs, the performance upgrades, the expected launch timeline, and where this camera stands among competitors like the Fujifilm X-T5, Sony A6700, and Nikon's upcoming APS-C lineup. If Canon gets this right, the R7 Mark II could easily become the new king of hybrid APS-C cameras in 2025. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated camera releases of 2025, especially among hybrid shooters, wildlife photographers, sports professionals, and content creators looking for a compact yet extremely capable APS-C mirrorless camera. When the original Canon R7 launched, it instantly drew attention by bringing the RF mount to the enthusiast APS-C market with strong autofocus, great image quality, excellent stabilization, and impressive video specs for its price. But as the market evolved and competition increased from Sony, Fujifilm, and Nikon, the expectations for the R7 Mark II have grown higher than ever. And now that leaks, patent filings, internal testing reports, and industry sources are aligning, we finally have a clear picture of what Canon is planning for the next generation R7. And it's not just a small update. This is a serious upgrade that could redefine what APS-C mirrorless cameras are capable of in 2025. To understand why the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is such a big deal, we need to take a look at the landscape. Right now, Fujifilm holds significant influence in the APS-C enthusiast and professional market with their X-T5 and X-H2 lineup, which offer high-resolution sensors, advanced video options, strong color science, and compact build sizes. Sony continues to expand its Alpha APS-C line as well, especially with the A6700, which brought AI autofocus and strong video tools into a portable hybrid body. Nikon is also stepping in aggressively with its Z50 successor and a rumored Z70 APS-C camera. Against this backdrop, Canon is expected to not just match the competition but surpass it in autofocus intelligence, speed, clarity, and stabilization, while ensuring their strong ecosystem of RF lenses keeps expanding. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature a brand new stacked APS-C CMOS